Welcome back. Now, the Kenya Institute for Public Policy Research and Analysis, KIPPRA, projects that the economy will this year expand 5.4% on account of a rebound of the service sector, manufacturing sector and agriculture. KIPPRA Executive Director Rose Ngugi says they have revised down the 2022 economic projection from an earlier figure of 6.3% due to drought and political uncertainties that are likely to affect investments.
Is this year expected to be driven by agriculture and manufacturing sector, as well as a rebound in the services sector.
Found ourselves, out of job, and we got back to the agricultural sector, the manufacturing sector, which had both sides, taking advantage of the situation, but also facing the wrath of the COVID.
KIPPRA says easing of restrictions in key tourism source markets is likely to lift tourism figures, which in addition to other factors are expected to power the economy to expand 5.4% this year. However, high crude oil prices, drought experienced in parts of the country early this year, coupled with heightened political activity ahead of the August polls, could stifle economic activity.
The political situation already, the political ground is heating up, and one of the key things that you'll notice during electioneering year is that there is a wait-and-see attitude which affects investments.
Due to global supply chain disruptions witnessed in recent months, Ngugi is calling for the enhancement of the local manufacturing production capacity to meet the huge demand.
Should COVID also come down, we need then to see transitioning of the manufacturers of these essential goods to a period where COVID is no longer with us.
Enhancing the local production capacity of manufacturing firms remains a priority in meeting the growth objective of the sector.
KIPPRA says increased uptake of the COVID-19 vaccinations globally could positively influence the global economy.
Successful implementation of digital health program, which involves adoption of e-health and telemedicine, has the potential to expedite the development of the healthcare industry in the country.
Regina Maya reporting for Prime Edition.